Let it go. I got it. I'll do it.
Reaching 7,000 feet.
The Caspian spacecraft traveled hundreds of millions of miles to explore Saturn and its moon.
9,000 feet.
In 2004, 7 years after leaving Earth, it reached Saturn. As Cassini studied the planet and its icy rings, it sent the Huygens probe to the surface of Saturn's largest moon, Titan. You're about to see what Huygens saw when it landed on Titan on January 14, 2005. Titan is the only moon we know with a thick atmosphere. We had never seen its surface before Huygens landed. This simulation shows us what Huygens saw under Titan's orange haze. Huygens starts to fall toward Titan. It slows as it enters the atmosphere. Huygens slows down more when its main parachute opens. We start to see details of Titan's surface. Huygens nears a dark valley between two bright hilly areas. Do you see the two dark parallel lines off to the left? They're dunes like sand dunes on Earth. But Titan's sand may be grains of ice or a hydrocarbon like methane. Near the center top, the sun shines through Titan's haze. You can see drainage channels in the hills and the valley. On Earth, flowing water forms drainage channels like these. On Titan, they're probably formed by methane rain. The hills to the left are a few hundred meters tall. For comparison, the Statue of Liberty is about 50 meters tall, base to torch. In the valley, icy ridges rise only a few meters. Hang on, we're about to land near a ridge of water ice looking east. And again, but looking west. Now we're landing again, looking backward to the west. Again, you can see the gullies and washes in the valley basin. Data from Huygens shows that the bright areas are probably water ice. Darker areas are an unfamiliar mix of frozen, smoggy hydrocarbons. As we get closer to the surface, we see more detail. Though we see signs of rivers and a short line, the basin is dry. Below us, we see erosion in the rocky ice ridgeline. Huygens land is a gully.
Still want to come with us? It's a pretty extreme environment down there. 250 times the pressure.
From the ground, Titan looks surprisingly like parts of Earth. We're in a dry riverbed. The far hills are just a few meters tall. The parachute shadow drifts by. Heat from Huygens warms the icy ground. Titan is about 290 below zero. We see rocks of water ice about the size of apples. Small darker pebbles could be water ice or hydrocarbons or a mix. The Huygens probe has shown us a slice of Titan's mystery surface. We still have many questions. What makes up Titan's surface? Where and how often does it rain on Titan? How does methane go from the surface to the atmosphere? What forms the hills, dunes, and valleys? Could the chemistry of Titan support life?
Let's keep heading in this direction. It looks promising.
And that is it.